Over another 5 boxes. Another 5 boxes. Elite Baseball. Good luck, guys. Starting off, dual patches for Pittsburgh and Chicago. So we'll randomize it to 25. 3-colored Tyler Glasnow and Carson Fulmer. Glasnow and Fulmer. Pittsburgh and the White Sox. Got number 25, Boston's Jason Grome. Jason Grome for Boston. Die cut number 299's Nolan Martinez, 2-base. Got a USA auto jersey number 249, Seth Beer. 49, Seth Beer. Auto jersey number 299's Bryson Brigman. 299, Bryson Brigman. Got number 200's Nolan Jones. Got a bunch of foil stamp on the back, on the bottom of it. They got stamped with the pack. Stamped with the pack on the bottom of it. Got a quad number 99, San Diego's Manuel Margot. San Diego. Auto, you've got Carter Kaboom. Carter Kaboom, Washington Nationals. Right behind it, you've got number 75, Carter Kaboom, the 75. Auto, in between them, Stephen Crichton. Stephen Crichton. Base. Another USA auto jersey, number 49's Dalton Guthrie. 49, Dalton Guthrie. So I will start going over them. Got a duel. You've got San Francisco's Heath Quinn to 149. Heath Quinn, 149 for San Francisco. You've got number 200 Tampa Bay's Jake Fraley, 2-base. Got a 3-colored auto patch USA number 25's Taylor Walls. 3-colored Taylor Walls. Auto, you've got Joshua Lowe. Josh Lowe, that is going to the Tampa Bay Rays. Got a die cut 99's Carter Kaboom, 2-base. Finish out box 1, box 2, box number 2. Box number 2. Duel, you've got for Boston and Cleveland to 25. Andrew Benintendi, Clint Frazier. Benintendi and Clint Frazier. Benintendi, Clint Frazier. So we'll randomize that one as well. Auto, Atlanta's Ian Anderson. That one numbered to 200, Ian Anderson. Got number 200's TJ Frettel, 2-base. Got auto jersey number 49's Tyler Johnson. Tyler Johnson. 49, Tyler Johnson. Auto jersey number 299's Mitchell Cranston. 99, Mitchell Cranston. That one is a Minnesota Twin, Mitchell Cranston. Got Minnesota's Alex Kirilloff, 2-base. Quad, you've got number to 249 or 149, Tyler Glasnow, Pittsburgh. Tyler Glasnow. Got number 275, Cleveland's Will Benson. Cleveland, Will Benson. Toronto, box 1, there was not. Got auto, New York's Nestor Cortez. New York, Nestor Cortez. Nestor Cortez. Got a Texas, Colton Wright, 2-base. USA's, you've got number 249's Darren McCaw. USA, Darren McCaw. Got another USA, number 25, Ricky Tyler Thomas. Tyler Thomas. Got number 299's Corey Ray, 2-base. Got Jaron Kendall. Jaron Kendall, USA. Jaron Kendall. Got Detroit 100 Matt Manning. Got number to 200's Trey Mancini, 2-base. Finish out box 2. Box number 3. Box 3. Box number 3. Auto, you got Reggie Lawson, San Diego. Base, not numbered, Reggie Lawson for San Diego. Auto jersey, number 299, Tyler Johnson. USA, Tyler Johnson. Got number to 200's Anthony Gear, Arizona, 2-base. Got New York, number to 100's Nick Solak. New York to 100, Nick Solak. Got a base auto, Seattle's Bryson Brigman. Seattle, Bryson Brigman. Got Cincinnati to 75's TJ Fredel, 2-base. TJ Fredel. Got number to Cincinnati's Braylon Ortiz. Not numbered, Braylon Ortiz. Got Mike Gerber to 99. Mike Gerber to 99. Detroit Tigers. Got number 200, Jake Newberry, Kansas City, 2-base. So you can just say it. Auto, you've got for New York, Dietrich Enns. Not numbered, Dietrich Enns for the Yanks. Got Toronto, number to 10, TJ Zooch. Number to 10, Toronto's TJ Zooch. Number to 10. Got number 299's Ian Anderson for Atlanta, 2 base. Got a quad at number to 99, New York, Aaron Judge. Quad to 99, Aaron Judge for the Yanks. Auto, you've got St. Louis, Dylan Carlson. St. Louis, Dylan Carlson. Got number to 49, Washington's Sheldon Neuse. 49, Sheldon Neuse, 2 base. Finishing out box number 3. Finishing box 3. Number 4. Box number 4. Got LA to 100, Mitchell Wise. LA, Mitchell Wise. Got Arizona to 100, Anthony Greer. Arizona, Anthony Greer. Got number 275's Tyler Epler, Pittsburgh. 2 base, Tyler Epler for Pittsburgh. Oh, sorry. Got Kansas City, number 2, 100's Jake Newberry. Kansas City, 100, Jake Newberry. Got a dual, number to 99, San Francisco's Hunter Cole. San Francisco, Hunter Cole. Got number 2, 200's Braylon Ortiz for Cincinnati, 2 base. Got Arizona's Dow Lugo. Dow Lugo. Sorry, Ustream does have a decent amount. Got a Colorado's Robert Tyler. Got number 299's Alex Reyes, 2 base. Dual, you've got Colorado 99, David Dahl, Raymond Tapia. Dahl, Tapia. Got number 275's Bryson Bregman. 75, Bryson Bregman. Got number 249, Tampa Bay's Hunter Wood, 2 base. Got number 250, Isaiah White for the Marlins. Tebow's, we have not seen Tebow. Isaiah White for the Marlins. Got number 299, you've got USA's Alex Fado. Alex Fado. Got number 200, Sheldon Neuse, Washington, 2 base. Last pack. Or last box, box number 5. Then we'll move on to some totally certified football, or totally certified basketball. That's what I meant. Certified basketball. And then tomorrow night we're doing another 2-caser NT college football. Another 2-caser NT college football. Got number to 100 Brody Corner. Brody Corner. And then I believe we're doing a case of Cuts baseball. We'll do Cuts baseball and some more Elite baseball. Auto jersey, Miami, Aaron Knapp, $2.99. Aaron Knapp, $2.99. Got Oakland 49's George Bell, 2 base. Got a plate auto. Got number 275's Cal Quantrill, San Diego. 75, Cal Quantrill. Got a plate auto. You've got Will Craig. Will Craig. I believe Will Craig is a Pirate, maybe? I will double check, though. Will Craig, college auto. Will Craig. Got St. Louis 200's Delvin Perez. 2-base. Got New York's Dietrich Enns. New York's Dietrich Enns. Dual, you've got number 299's Nick Longy. Nick Longy. Dual for the Boston Red Sox. Die cut, Reggie Lawson, San Diego Padres to 75. Auto, you've got Oakland's George Bell. George Briner Bell. Got auto, Pittsburgh's Brandon Waddell. Brandon Waddell. Die cut, LA's Kyle Karlik. Number to 200, 2-base. And your last pack, finishing out Elite tonight. You've got a quad to 49, Andrew Benintendi. Andrew Benintendi. Got Dylan Carlson. Got number 299's Ryan Hendricks, Cincinnati, 2-base. We've got two randoms to do. Two randoms to do. Then we'll move on to some certified. Two randoms. We'll move on to our certified. First one we had was the Pirates, the White Sox, the next one was the Red Sox, and the Indians. Alright guys, good luck. First one, Red Sox, Indians. Red Sox, Indians. First time the Indians, second time the Red Sox. Third time going to the Cleveland Indians. Indians. Taking that one home. Next one. You got the Pirates and the White Sox. First time the Pirates. Second time the White Sox. Third time gonna go to the Pirates. Third time going to the Pirates. One of the Pirates finishing out Elite tonight. Finishing out Elite.